Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get ready with my Armani favorites. So let's get started. The base is set. I used Huda Beauty Glowish foundation, which is my favorite. These days I'm using it every single day and I am actually enjoying very much my Hourglass concealer. So those are the two buddies that I'm using for my skin base. Apart from that, the brow is done with the eyeshadow and I've got lip balm on. That's it. So now I'll just get started with my eye makeup and then rest of the things, right? So let's just get started with the eye makeup. This is the eyeshadow that I'm going to use. Actually, it's a tint, but it is more than that. It gives a very opaque finish and you will see how it applies on my eyelid. That's the shade that I'm going to wear today. I like it because it's very simple, very easy, and it just does the job very beautifully and it's impactful. So if you are looking for something which can be your grab and go kind of eyeshadow, you should check this out. So I'm just using it like that, and it is very simple because of the precision it has. It just goes on beautifully, very opaque, and also the applicator makes my job very easy. So I don't even need an angle brush or a mixing medium. That's my favorite. So as you see, it's super easy and super precise. So whatever look you want to try with it, you can try. You can go for liner, or if you want, you can create some editorial kind of look or anything. If you just want to dab it on the lid and use brush or your fingertips, that's gonna give you a very nice look. I usually use the sides of it because the cut is a very nice triangle cut. So the sides can be a very precise applicator near the edges, and I use this pointy side for the inner corner. As much as you want, you can use because it is very blendable and it layers on beautifully. So you will not see any patchiness, and I like that gold shift with this beautiful purple. It's a very interesting eyeshadow. All the shades are beautiful, but I just wanted to go for purple. So there you go. Makeup in no time. Now this side becomes a little tricky. I'm enjoying these Smart Singles very much because it is kind of very easy to work with them. And during summer days, I really want something very simple and quick. I'm also mommy on the go, so I have to be that fast because my son is always around and it is summer vacation. So there are so many plans going on, and that's why the easiest, simple way to get ready is my favorite at the moment. It's very subtle yet impactful, so you can wear it for your everyday makeup look. Of course, you can change the style, tweak it a little, and you can also wear it during winter time and during fall time. I chose this shade because I wanted to wear it throughout. Check the symmetry. Always keep in mind the eye shapes because everyone's eye shape is different, and the way you layer it on and how much lid area, lid space you're going to use, that your eye shape would decide. So I think that's nice. I just have to do a little bit on this side. I really enjoy these editorial eye looks, and if you're someone who likes it, you should give it a try, and this will make your job really easy. If you want that precise cut, there is another way. I'm using this cotton bud, and yeah, that's my Westman Ateliers liquid lip balms satchel, which I'm using for keeping my cotton buds. So if you want, you can just sharpen the edges, and it is very easy to wipe as well. So it's very easy to work with this product. Very easy. The product is very lightweight, so I can hardly feel anything on my lids. Layers on beautifully, evenly, no patchiness, and of course the shift, that purple and gold shift. I just love everything about it, and it is very easy, simple, and quick makeup idea. I love it. Ever since I got it, I've been using it, and I've been really enjoying this product from Giorgio Armani. And now to complete this whole eye look, I'm just going to get on with my mascara, Eyes to Kill. It feels very light, feathery light. It gives me that wet lashes look. I did not go for waterproof, but there is a waterproof version of it. So if you want to check out that, you can totally check this out because it's a very decent, beautiful mascara. I like the wand because it's very sturdy and gives me a nice volume and also length. It feels very cooling for some reason. Maybe because it's a wet kind of formula. After I'm done with applying this on my upper lash line for the upper lashes, I use it as my liner as well, like this. And it gives a very natural finish there. It gives some dimension there, and I just love that, hint of liner there without using the liner. So it's like my minimum products, maximum impact kind of makeup look. By the way, I used my Westman Atelier bronzer, which is a staple, and I use it every single day, plus Becca shimmer, and also my Fenty Beauty highlighter. Today I use this pink one. Isn't it pretty? I'm enjoying it so much. Some products are like that. Once you get it, you feel that, oh, I should have gotten it when it was released. And that time I was like, okay, I already am using couple of highlighters, so let me just skip this one. But now I added it and very, very happy with it. Look at the length and the volume it is adding. Beautiful. Which one is your favorite mascara at the moment? Leave that on the comment section. I've said it before and I'm saying it now again, that earlier I was not a mascara person, but nowadays it's a staple, it's a must, and I keep searching for mascaras that can satisfy my lashes, like the volume, the length, and of course it should feel feathery light, and I'm getting all three in this one. Plus it is very stylish and it looks so chic. Lovely, right? Last but not least, my favorite, period. All the reds that I have in my collection, it's hard for me to choose because I'm a red lipstick lover. But this liquid lipstick, it has got something hypnotic, mysterious to it, which I just love to put on. And every time I apply it, I get compliments and people actually ask me which shade I'm wearing. So that says a lot. And it's a classic, beautiful, universal red. The wand is actually very precise, on point, very easy to apply. The edges, full on, whatever you want to do with this liquid lipstick, with this wand. I am really impressed with Armani wands, and they are like identical twins. As you can see, that's the eyeshadow and that's the liquid lipstick wand. It is a little bit flatter and this one is again tapered. So love it because it's really thoughtful, and the applicator actually can be the game changer. The color is so beautiful that even if you are in hurry and you just want to dab couple of dots with it, it will give you a nice tint. I just love to draw with this and I don't have to use any pencil. I love the formula. love the color, love the applicator, love the design, and everything about it is beautiful. It's a marvelous product according to me, and I've been using it and I just love that shade 400. Rest all in the description box down below, so you can check the shades, the names, if you're interested in these products. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Isn't it a beautiful, gorgeous look? So try this look and use the products because they are really absolutely top-notch, stunning, and the ease, the impact, and the quality, of course the style and the design. So everything is rocking. Beautiful Armani day for me. I hope you will give it a try too, and of course subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button to get notified, and I'll see you soon. Bye.